Hi guys, me Mason, Weather King here, and today it is August 15th, 2025, and I'm gonna do something a little different. I think I'm gonna screen record these videos. Anyways, let's get on with it. So, first things first, we're gonna have to talk about Tropical Storm Aaron. The tropical storm, it's not a tropical storm, it's a hurricane now, with, oh god, let's start with the cone first, and we'll do everything else. With winds of 75 miles per hour, and it's scheduled to become a major hurricane by 8 p.m. Saturday. I'll definitely make videos in the morning on the weekends. Moving to the west-northwest at 17, it looks like there are some tropical storm watches here. Rainfall potential. Looks like some of these areas are expecting up to 4 to 6 inches of rain. And if I can, there you go. These are tropical storm force winds potential for, yeah, tropical storm winds. Just checking, guys. Looks like it's like a 10, maybe 20% chance. Look at wind history. God, this thing went very far. We look at rip current advisories. Look at rip currents. There are rip current advisories within the moderate risk to low risk along the coast over here. Now, go to the GFS model. Hurricanes. Aaron. Look at this thing. If we look at it as it forms, it's getting more and more developing an eye wall, which is a characteristic of major hurricanes, and then it moves off to the coast, and then it just, it will move out to sea. I just want to show you guys this. Now for the, if I can, yesterday. Alright, never mind then. Heading back over here, we're just gonna go back to wind arrival times, yes. So for these areas, it looks like winds will arrive between, at least over here, 8 p.m. Friday. For Puerto Rico, it's going to be sometime after 8 a.m. Saturday. And then for the Dominican Republic, it's going to be for Saturday at 8 p.m. And that, my friends, is going to be the end of this video. If you guys like the content, please like and follow and share this video to anybody else who likes weather or wants to be reported on stuff. And I will see you guys